Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can switch another account on the Facebook Messenger, because sometimes we want to switch to another account on the Messenger application. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Messenger application and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it, and then you will see switch account options. Click on it, and you can see I have already added my another account. So if you did not add your another account, then you can add it by click on add account. So if you have already added your account, then just tap on that account. So then click on continue. So in this way you can switch account on the Messenger application. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.